big one in the middle. Don't know whether I got it or not. That one don't make much noise. You've heard of Hiccup 45? I'm Hiccup 22. Hey, have you heard about Shed Man's new gun? Nah, I had it in a video before, but yeah, 16-inch barrel Rough Rider. I put those pearl grips on it, and I really love it. But I wasn't satisfied. I had to go out and get a Rough Rider Rancher. And that's basically the same gun with a 16-inch barrel. It's got a different grip frame on it and a rifle stock. Got buckhorn sights and comes with slings and swivels and all that good stuff. But even my cat Betty, she said, this is overkill. You're going crazy. Oh, Black Betty, Ramalama. I come outside, and we're going to have some fun out here by the shed today. Got me some ammo, got nice cold glass iced tea, and I got the guns out here, and I needed something to shoot at. And I wanted some reactive targets, so I made these. Steel. Some of them swing, some of them don't. Let's try them out. All right, check this out. Can you hear this? Yeah, C-O-L-T, Colt. Of course, that's just not a Colt, but yeah, good sounding gun. I like that 4-click. And speaking of hearing things, I'll tell you something very important. You didn't hear that, did you? Couldn't understand what I was saying. Well, if you shoot a lot of guns and you don't wear hearing protection, that's what everybody's going to sound like to you. So always wear your hearing protection. Don't mean to get preachy, but take it from somebody who knows. You know, and everybody looks at you like you're dumb because you don't say anything. You just stand there and smile and shake your head. It's because you didn't hear what they said, and you just hate always going, huh, what, excuse me. Hearing protection. Hearing loss due to loud noises is cumulative. It just adds up, and when you lose it, it doesn't come back. You might get out here and fall down and stump your toe or bruise your leg up or have some sore muscles from working out or something, and you'll heal up. Hearing loss isn't like that. It's permanent. Anyway, enough of that business. I'm gonna be out here. I can do this. I can do this all day long. I mean, all day long. All day long. I can keep this up. What's the matter with y'all? You act like it's 120 degrees out here. Can't be no more than 114. Whew. All right, we're gonna load the Rancher up. Yeah, that's the Rough Rider, his own self, right there on my gun. But we're gonna load this Rancher up with some 22 long rifle and try it out. And there's a lot of videos on these on YouTube. A lot of people's went over them. I'm gonna cover probably a lot of the same things that they're gonna tell you, or may have already told you. Before you buy one of these, keep in mind that when you're shooting this thing, you don't want to hold it like this, because as the bullet leaves the cylinder and goes into the forcing cone, there's always some gases and maybe even some shrapnel might come out there. It's going to burn your hand up if you got it up here like this. You got to hold it like this. Got this other tang down here, like that. You're going to be holding it like this right here. Also, you'll be wanting to wear safety glasses and, of course, the old earplugs, hearing protection, because also through the forcing cone, transition through there, some that's going to blow back, it's going to get in your face. But I got the target set up here. All right, we got her loaded up and ready to go. Let's try it out. As if I haven't already been practicing here for about 20 minutes and missed it 100 times. Let's go ahead and try it out. Yeah, bull. This take 12 of me trying to hit these targets, all of them with, yeah. Anyway, this is the first time I fired this gun. Bull hockey. Oh yeah, I'm not even trying. Got that one. Let's move up the hill one. Got that one. Let's go up the hill a little bit more. See if I got it. Let's go that big one there at the top in the center. I hit it. Don't know if I hit it that time. empty. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. These things are just awesome. You talk about fun. I mean, you can't beat this. I can't say enough about these Heritage guns. For the cost, always pull your hammer all the way back before you let it down. Ask around, you'll see why. We're still going to put it on safety here. That's a good little feature on these Heritage. You got a little safety. They still recommend carrying it on the empty cylinder for even more safety. You can't have enough safety. Did I mention that the Rough Rider himself was right? That's him. I'm talking about all day long. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, get you some of that. How about you? Oh, yeah. All day long. Just got to pace yourself. Mm-hmm. Whoop. Getting a call. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, not too much longer. Probably just all day long. That's right. Mm-hmm. Yep, just keep loading them back up. Oop, I think I dropped one there. Anyway. I plumb reckon there ain't room in this here town for the both of us, Ranger. 'Cause I'm fixing to be here all day long.
Will you shut up and get in this house?
All right, y'all. I was done anyway. We'll see y'all next time on the Shed Show.